Welcome to this beautifully remodeled mid-century modern home, perched atop a private drive in southwest Portland. It's in a convenient location close to the Portland Golf Club, Jesuit, New Seasons, and much more. Situated on a large lot, it's in the heart of Whitford's most coveted neighborhood. Heading inside, you'll discover an inviting interior with modern design touches and original oak hardwoods. The living room features a stone facade fireplace and French doors to the backyard. Entertain in the light and bright formal dining room. It opens to the elegant galley kitchen with all-new stainless appliances, another generous eating area, shaker-style cabinetry, modern hardware, and a subway tile backsplash. You can relax and recharge in the large master suite. The ensuite bathroom features quartz counters, a tiled shower, and new cabinetry, flooring, and fixtures. This spacious home of nearly 2,700 square feet has plenty of space, with every bedroom overlooking the peaceful backyard. And you'll find another beautifully remodeled full bath. On the lower level, a large bonus room is ready for any number of uses. Plus, you'll find two separate storage areas, a workshop and utility room. The meticulous attention to detail continues outside. The grounds feature mature landscaping with a manicured lawn, complete with a putting green and Roman brick flower boxes. The two-car garage has plenty of storage and a separate workroom leading to the backyard. A gorgeous, remodeled, mid-century modern home in a fantastic neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or your personal tour, please contact Aaron Tunseth with Premier Property Group at 503-830-4440. For financing options, please contact Don Carter with Director's Mortgage.